In front of me is the DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display. Then scroll down just a bit and tap on Home Settings. Following that, select icon size and adjust it however you want to. You can check out preview above. When you finished, to save your changes, hit OK at the bottom. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!